Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I'm going to show you how to get free MTN credits in your MTN SIM card. So for evidence sake, let's check my balance for you to see. Okay, so if you look here, I have 0.00 and then SMS is 92, the voice is 38 minutes. So I want you to focus on the voice minutes, that is 38 minutes. Okay, so after that you enter this code. When you enter, you dial this code, choose option 7. Okay, when you choose option 7, choose option 1. The reason why we are choosing option 1 is we want to check our points. Okay, I have 10,750 points here. Okay, so if you check your point, after checking your point, you dial up 0 to go back. Okay, and then here you choose 99. If you choose 99, we have info, check points balance, we have redeem points, we have info, we have back. So choose option 2 for redeem points. If you choose option 2 for redeem point, we have option 1, that is airtime. Option 2 is data bundle. Last time I talked about how to get a free data bundle. You can check on the description section for that video too. So if you choose option 1 for airtime, so the airtime, we have 500 points, that is 25 minutes. We have 1000 points, that is 50 pesos. We have 2000, that's 1 CD. Mine is 10,000. Okay, so for the 10,000 I'll get 5 CDs. Okay, so I choose option 5 for 10,000 points. If I choose option 5 for 10,000, you say we have here confirm, so I choose 1 to confirm. So you see the SMS here, you have successfully redeemed 10,000 CDs. Okay, so for that one I can use this to talk, to test, browse and more. So let's go back to check our balance again and see the confirmation here. So if I check it here, you see the voice, it was 38, now the voice is now 86 minutes. That's how to get the free MTN airtime for yourself. Okay, so make sure you like and subscribe and share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.